Hello, I'm Miguel Gomez with HIV.gov. I'm here with a colleague in Seattle, Washington. We're at the NMAC Biomedical Conference, and my colleague and myself, we just presented on a workshop on the use of generative AI, the cautious and transparent use, and I'm going to ask my colleague to introduce herself and answer this question. What are two takeaways that you would want people who left that workshop to have with them?
Yeah, so it's going to be hard for me to boil them down to two. I might have to go over to three if that's okay.
Get wild, it's okay.
All right, here we go. So I think the first thing is transparency. Transparency is just completely tied to trust, and we don't want to betray our audience's trust. So we need to be disclosing when and how we're using these AI tools.
No, absolutely. And I love on HIV.gov, every time we use one of the tools, we always add either created or edited by AI, but always reviewed by human. All right, that was one. What's two?
Well, that really brings me to number two, reviewed by human. It is so important that we keep humans in the loop. They are an integral part of this process. We want to make sure that the content that we're getting back, we're constantly validating it. So that's just a really important thing.
No, agree, with any tool, we want to help those we're here to reach and serve. And if you don't involve your colleagues, the community in which you work, you're not doing that. So thank you. Well, I promised you could have three. What was the third?
It's very generous. The third thing is that we need you to start playing around with these tools. We are currently sort of in this new sort of world, right, where AI is so brand new, but right now we're writing the future of what's to come. So in order to do that, really taking into account all of the equity things, we need a variety of people with a variety of different backgrounds, perspective, to come to the table and start, playing around with them.
Absolutely. As one of the people asking questions said, go ahead and stick your toe in the water. But what you did, myself and another colleague who helped present, we really encouraged everyone to remember there are tools that may help you do your work faster and in different ways. So do the homework. Check with those you work and those you serve and see if generative AI tools can help you extend your reach and the reach of us as an HIV community. I want to thank you for your time today, and I want to thank you for watching this video.